how to play games on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to play game on Facebook Messenger in just a few simple steps. No extra app, no downloads, just pure fun. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in and connected to the internet. Simple, right? Now tap a chat with a friend or a group where you want to play, or if you just want to play solo, that's work too. Look at the bottom of your screen, see that blue plus icon or the 4 dot menu, tap on it. A bunch of options will pop up. Now tap on the play games and boom, you are in the game home screen. You will see a lot of cool games from classic puzzle to action. Pick challenges, pick any game you like. Once you have decided, tap on the game, then hit play on Facebook. Give it a second to load. Now just tap play and you are in. Let the fun begin. Want to make it even more exciting? Challenge your friends, send them an invite and see who gets the highest score. And that's it. How you play game on Facebook Messenger, easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.